So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to access your market data subscriptions to make sure that all the data you see here in the chart, in your options chain for the actual buy and sell here in the top left is actual live data and not the delayed stuff that puts you behind by 15 minutes when you're in your Interactive Brokers account. So first thing you got to do is go up to your account here in the top left. You want to click there. You want to go down to subscribe to market data/research. That's going to open up a new window, and you can see here that I actually have some market data subscriptions already in this account, and you have some of the cost there as well. It should be noted that if you don't have a paid version or you haven't funded your account yet, you will not be able to subscribe to market data subscriptions. You're going to have to fund your account first so that Interactive Brokers actually has something to draw funds from. Otherwise, you won't be able to access these and you won't have actual updated subscriptions. You'll still be getting that delayed data in your account. Now, to actually update these and make changes to what you want to select, you have to go into your current subscriptions. And if there's none there, it'll just say subscriptions. You want to hit the gear icon right here to configure. Click there. And then once that screen is loaded, you're going to scroll back down into a list of services. And depending on where you're from, you're going to want to look at your different areas here. North America is Canada, US, Mexico, obviously. South America, Europe, Middle East, Africa, Asia Pacific, global, quote booster. And because we are in here in North America, and a lot of you watching are from USA and from Canada, you're going to stick to North America side here, and you will go through these and open them up and just see. You can pick different kind of things that you want to add to your market data subscription. It'll give you a little bit of a cost there. If there's a cost, some of the fees are actually waived. And those values and those kind of amounts, they actually come out of your account each month. So when you're adding all your subscriptions, you have to keep in mind that how much you're going to actually be paying. Hopefully, long-term, you'll be making more than these subscriptions will cost. But you have to just keep that in mind. You don't need extra crap when you're in here. You only have to want to have the basics that allow you to trade what you want to trade and not go overboard with the subscriptions. Because you don't need them all. You just need a few. You can probably keep this anywhere from 10, $20 a month to get things sorted out. A couple of them here that you're going to want to use if you want to have the NASDAQ, you want the NASDAQ here. The New York Stock Exchange. There's some big ones here, the options exchange, different ones. You can go through and kind of read through and see what you want to pick. And once you actually want to pick them, you have to click them and check them on or off. If you click them on, it'll be added to your account, and it'll just kind of have the fee added on as well, depending on, again, where you're trading, Canadian or US dollars. And the fee might be waived for some of these things because they are included in your package. Once you have your ones selected, you can go to continue. If you want to actually see the actual overall pricing, you can click that down there and click new tab. That'll pop open a new tab for you. And then if you click market data here in the top left, it'll actually give you down a kind of subscription kind of status. It'll give you the kind of the regions, and it'll give you kind of the fees here. If you go to North America, it'll give you a snapshot of all the fees you can look through. You can actually see them a little bit quicker and easier than actually on the Interactive Brokers account page. This is what I use to kind of go through and filter what I want to have on my account and just pick different things then and focus on in the account for Interactive Brokers. Also worth mentioning, you want to have a professional versus non-professional. The main difference there is that professional is going to charge you almost, in any case, 5-10 times more than non-professional, and even 20 times more, just because it's a non-professional status as a kind of recreational trader. If it's not your full-time job, if you're not running a company, you are not a professional, you are a non-professional. Make sure you have a non-professional status in your account management set up, and that will be shown to you on the actual market data subscription page. You can see it right here, non-professional. If you do have that shown up as professional, you can always send Interactive Brokers an email stating your case, why you think you should be classified as non-professional, and they will review it, and hopefully they will make the change to you so you become non-professional. That way you're not working on paying extra fees that you don't need to pay. So again, once you have your selected kind of choices here from the different options for market data, you'll click continue, and then you will review kind of what you've decided to add. I haven't add anything new here, so I don't have anything else to review. Just gives you kind of summary. Then you click continue one more time, and then those market data subscriptions will be added to your account. Now, if you want to close and turn some of them off as well, we can go back. And if I wanted to go pick one and change it up and just take it off, I could go through. I could just click the check mark to make it check off, go to continue, and then it's going to just kind of remove my subscriptions. Tell me what I'm going to do. Tell me the thing that I'm removing. If you're adding, it'll show up here as an addition, and you click continue to make it final, and then you go through the process. It'll be added to your account, and you will have market data subscriptions pretty much instantaneously. If you have to kind of log in and log out of your account for it to update, do that. The longest I've seen this take in my experience has been no more than 1 day. So that's how you kind of get the market data subscriptions you need to be able to go into your trading account again and have everything update here on the regular, so that you have all the information that is up to the minute, even seconds, kind of really quick, full-time data that you're going to go and you're going to make your trades with. Now, if you guys want to actually know the best market data subscriptions for options trading right here, if you're going to be an options trader, make sure you check out this next video. Subscribe to the channel if you got some value here today, and I will catch you guys on the next one.